Okay, here we are inside the home now. This is Billy Thieber, Lifetime Builders. So let's take a look at all the components on the inside of the house. This house was built in 1954. So it originally had a single wall furnace right here and a window air conditioner. So we've done what's called a complete cut-in. So there's the cold air intake, and here's the Wi-Fi digital thermostat. Let's take a look at the inside components. As you can see, we have the heater going. This is the Infinity forced air unit. There's the best of the best, Carrier Infinity series. So there's our A coil, our plenum, our gas shutoff line. Let's take a look and listen how quiet that furnace is. This is full blast. Amazing. So we build the box and install all the registers inside the house. Bedrooms, living room, bedrooms again. Now the neat thing is that this house went from 1954 to 2021. Latest and greatest technology and installation. Now this was a 5-day installation because of all the extensive work. Again, this is Billy Thieber with Lifetime Builders, and this is a cut-in system, Carrier Infinity series.